Hi everyone, here we go. This is part 4 of my Rosie studio haul. This is the 12x12 designer paper element of that, and I'm just flicking through the collections that I got. So there's 5 in this bundle. So the first one is Very Merry, and I think I got the 6x6 in this as well, so I'll just flick through the papers and let you see them. I'll try not to talk too much. That's nice. That's nice. I say I'm trying not to talk too much. This would lend itself to anything. Boy-wise, if you were doing cards, layouts. That's pretty. And this is kind of foiled. And this is foiled as well. There we go, so that was all wrapped up. Oh no, Very Merry that one was called, sorry. Very Merry. This one is called This Is Us. That's pretty. I do like flowery papers. This is foiled. This is foiled as well. It's nice. That's pretty because the little foiled gold hearts as well. You can see there. Little white brick wall. That's quite cool. That's nice as well. That's quite nice. Different colours, pinks and greens. Nice pear paper. Nice houses. It's a nice floral. Nice dots. Love the trees. So there we go, that was that one. This is Nurtured. It's all about plants. Flowers. Soft checks. Leaves. More checks. A little bit of sunshine. That's nice. Scripty. More plants. Wood grain. Dots, and I think they're... No, they're not. They're not foiled. This is foiled though. There we go. I'm just going to move these out of the way because I'm going to start sliding on everything else. And it'll give me a little bit of room to move. Pop that up there. This one's called In the Neighbourhood, so we've only got 2 pads left to go. Or 2 collections to go. And it's nice houses. Swans, stripes, florals. Well, that's nice. Bit of a map. That'd be nice to do a new home card for, wouldn't it? As your background paper. That's nice. So is that. They do give you quite a lot of mix of abstracts and florals and what have you in their paper pads, which I quite like about that. This one is called Frolic. I'm quite looking forward to seeing this one. I think it's quite Eastery, so you've got all the little Sunday glasses and cakes and things. Florals. Plaid. Alphabet. Another plaid. Floral. Floral. Butterflies. That's a bright cheery paper with the sun. Squiggly lines. Flowers. Scallops. ducks. I'm not seeing any rabbits yet. Pinwheels, flowers, lemons, that's nice. Oh, there we go. Rabbits in teacups. That one gets your eyes going, but that's pretty. And then finally a yellow one. So thank you for sticking with me through all these, through my massive haul. There are 4 parts to this. I got 103 items and the parcel weighed 7 kilos. I will say that the shipping is quick, the quality is good. It came by FedEx. It took less than a week to get here from New Zealand to Scotland, and that's amazing. Didn't have to pay any customs charges on it, which was even better. And I'm going to have fun playing with all this lot. And I'm probably going to go back and place another order because I really like the gemstones and the enamel stickers that came. And I only got 2 packets of them for some reason. So I'll maybe need to go back and order some more of those because I'm a sucker for these, especially the enamel dots. And if you didn't see it, I also got these, and I want to try making these myself. Because I've got pom-poms with like that, and then I could just get some chipboard and put patterned paper on it. And I've actually got gold flake that I would be able to put down the bottom there and make those. You can see them. I'll hold them up so there's no glare. So that's my idea. I've started to ramble and I'm starting to pull things out the piles, and I need to stop it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you don't already. I'm just getting back into the old YouTube thing again and I'm really enjoying it. So I'd like to get my followers up and make more content. It's going to be embellishment week after I've had this big haul. I want to try making things for putting on cards, so that's my plan. Okay, I'm going to go, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go and get all these uploaded now, and my trip to IKEA tonight to buy my new Calyx unit for my craft room, and then I can do a craft room tour once I get that sorted out. So you can see where I'm working from and all the bits and bobs that's going on and what I'm up to and what it looks like now and what it used to look like and what have you. So I'm going to go. Thank you for watching. See you soon and bye for now. Take care.